Hi, I'm Marlene. Welcome back. Today is going to be a little bit different. I promised one of my subscribers that I will give her a tour to my craft room, and I hope you like it. This is my craft room. It's my needlepoint bag. Here's my this right here, it used to be a closet. We took it out and we have them custom built to watch TV. But we don't watch TV anymore. I don't have cable TV anymore. We have it, the last service that we have was September 28th of last year. Because, you know, I'm so busy. I just want to do what I love. And I just don't have the time to watch TV. And my husband, he agreed with it. And I turned this room to my craft room. And here they are. That's the craft room. This is all needlepoint, some blanket which I knit. That's my son. I have someone paint this. I think she's doing a drawing, black and white. When he was 5 years old, he was asleep. These are my needlepoint tote bag. And you could tell I love rooster. Yeah. And this one here, let me take the handle. See this? It's a tote bag. Actually, one of my friends, she submitted to the Pomona Fair, I believe. Let me see, hold on. And I won first award. Look, 2019. First award. She keep asking me to submit my work. I said, no, I do it because I enjoy it. I love what I do. I'm not interested in a real award. It's not. This is my vision board. This board right here, when I was working and you know they throw it away where the trash is, I found it. I pick it up, clean it up. I make my vision board. And this is my vision board. I cut everything that I love. I put it on here. Oh. And that's inspired me to create my garden, decorate my house through my vision board. There it is. Yep. And over here, see? And this is my socks. There you go. I'm planning to I have so many projects, and I'm planning to also to make beanies and more socks, and give it out for Christmas for my kid this Christmas. Hopefully I have enough time to work on it, because I have too much projects, and especially the garden when it's come to summer, it's just a lot of work. I spend hours and hours in the garden and then get tired sometime. This, yep. It's my favorite. This is all the blanket that I knit. And let me see. And it's another one. This is I'm working on this one for the garden where the patio is, to go with the cushion. And here is this yarn. This one here, I'm making the granny square. I'm making a blanket for my niece. I've been working on it. See, look. And I learned how to crochet during COVID. And this lady, her channel is so awesome. She's doing all this mosaic, and I'm going to have my son link her YouTube channel, and you can check it out. Let me show you some more. I've been working on some of my project with my needlepoint, and some of you, I'm sure you're curious. This type of needlepoint, I do need a stretcher bar for it, and like this piece right here is basically I wanted like a French country look, and I do changing a lot. Let me show you what the picture looked like. This is what the canvas looked like before, and I didn't like it because I wanted a French country look. And so I changed it around, and I do plait instead, and all the border, so they can look like a French country. So this is what I'm working on, and let me show you the other one. Like this bag right here. You see this bag right here? This bag. Same thing. This is what the canvas looked like before, and I didn't like it. I changed it because I like that whimsical look, that color look. I changed it, and this is all the letter, the alphabet, and the one that you see in gold. This is my name, and right here you see this is my birthday. But anyway. This is what it looked like, and this is what it looked like before. And I, just like I said, I like a more like colorful, whimsical. So this is what I do. And I just, like I said, I've been working on some of my pieces, and I want them to look whimsical. I'll show you one of them. I have a lot of teapot because I want that whimsical, something like that. So I have a lot of canvas that is teapot, and this is one of them that I've been working on right here. It's gonna be a lot of work, but just like I said, I've been very busy, and I know a lot of you curious what it look like, how this needlepoint, and this is the kind of needlepoint that I work on, And let me show you, and this is one of them. See, like this. So when I'm ready to work on, what I do is I put them on the stretcher bar, and this is one of them right here. Probably won't get to this maybe 2-3 more years because I'm so busy. I have too much. I have so much needlepoint, a lot. It's more in their room, and just like this one's right here, and this is all the fiber for the needlepoint. This is the fiber. One thing about this needlepoint, just like it's hand painted, and also a lot, 90% I changed the color of the canvas because I don't like the color because it's not, you know, like it's not for my design. So, you know, I change it the way I want it, the way I like it. And that's, you know, and that's what it is. And also this is another one that I learned how to crochet. I'm not finished yet. And just like I said, I'm going to have my son link her channel to on her channel on YouTube, and you can see what she does. This is one I also learned how to crochet during COVID, and I just love it. And this is I'm only halfway done on this one right here. Show. See, I'm only halfway done, and you know you know, I follow her design, and then, you know, when you learn how to crochet, when you follow the design, you start to understand how it works, and you just create your own, the way, you know, your own design to how you want it. So this is half is done. Now I have to go to the other half. Now I have to repeat right this from this color right here. Now I'm going to start it from here, the purple, the light blue, you know, go like this. Now I'm all the way to the bottom, so which is done. I think this one probably like maybe I think this is a queen size blanket, you know, for me and my husband. We can sit and watch TV, you know. We still have one TV left, but we don't have cable, you know. We're watching YouTube or watching a old movie on you know, on DVD. And now I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I store in my cabinet, where all my some of my blanket that I've been knitting this year. Here's a blanket that I work on this year, and where I store them. And here all my yarn, partial it. And I put them on container because all of these have a pattern, and each container have a pattern to go with it, so I know which is which when I'm ready to work on it, so I won't be so confused because I have just so many projects. Let me show you one of them, and just like this one right here. Okay, hold on. Just like this one here. Open up. See this right here? This is the pattern for the shawl, the wrap, whatever you call it. And this is for one shawl right here. This is all the color. And this, I ordered this from Denmark, and I think I got this about, oh my God, before COVID. But I have so much project, I have so much hobby, and you know, and just don't have a chance yet to get through it. I will. So it's all of this right here. You see it? All of this in here is all in my container, and they all have a pattern in there. Each one of them. This is all each single project, and I like to organize them because I know where all my stuff is when I'm ready to work on them. I'm going to show you one more time. This is, hopefully you can see better. That's what it used to look like. And this is another one it used to look like. And I forgot to show you also this right here. This is going to be a purse. See this? Yeah. And this is the back of the purse. So I'm not finished yet. So I will create another, you know, all this right here when I'm done working on this one right there. This is, yeah, and I really love this. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my craft room, and I will see you in my next video.